Hi, I'm Jenny, and today I'm going to help you fix a common problem with our bras. Now, we've all been there. Here's a perfectly good bra. However, the underwire of the bra has popped out at the end. Obviously, this gets a lot of distress in that area, but it's a perfectly good bra. So I'm going to show you how to repair that. So you can do this a couple of ways. You can either use some material. You can even get some adhesive material like this where it's got a sticky on the back, but I actually prefer to use this. Now this is medical gauze or strapping, and what I like about it is that it's really nice and thin, so it really will be nice and comfortable in that area. But the best thing is that it is actually sticky, so we can easily repair this area very quickly, especially if you've just noticed it when you're about to pop out. So I'm just going to cut a small piece from the tape. It doesn't have to be very big. So you can see how sticky it is. And the first thing I'm going to do is pop the wire back into the bra, like so. So that's almost fixed the problem already, but as you know, with all the movement in that area, that's going to come undone again. We're going to take our sticky tape, place that over the area with the hole. Now, I'm not going to be too fussed about this. I mean, obviously from the front you can hardly see it. What I'm more concerned about here is comfort, and this is why I've decided to go with this tape, because it is really thin against the skin. Now once that's secured in place, that's perfect as a quick fix, but if you want this to last a little bit longer, then I would suggest just putting some tacking stitches in, because this is actually fabric, it's just got a sticky gauze on the back of it. That would be a more permanent solution. So there's your two options, but I actually prefer this one as it's a lot more comfortable.